Is this budget KOORUI keyboard the hidden gem your setup needs? Let's take a look. I'm Jürgen, and this is a quick, honest review powered by Nanodog. Inside the box, it's simple. Just the keyboard and a manual. Right away, the build feels solid for this price point. It's got a clean, black design with a little bit of gamer flair, but nothing over the top. The body feels sturdy and it's surprisingly weighty, but not plasticky like most entry-level keyboards. This model comes with MX-style red switches, which are linear and smooth, ideal for fast key presses in FPS and MOBA games. They're quiet, not that clicky, which I personally prefer for long gaming sessions and shared spaces. There's RGB backlighting, which you can adjust using the function keys. No software needed, simple plug and play. You also get anti-ghosting and full key rollover, meaning it won't miss a beat during your intense gaming sessions. The keycaps feel okay, not premium, but they'll definitely hold up for casual to mid-tier gamers. At this price range, this keyboard competes with other keyboards double the price. Sure, you don't get a lot of customization or hot swappable keys, but for most gamers and office workers, this checks almost all the boxes. I'm giving the KOORUI MK-CO1 a solid 7.5 out of 10. Clean design, decent switches, and just enough features, perfect for everyday use or casual gamers. Great pick for budget-conscious gamers or students looking to level up their setup.